Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the 42 jolly phonics sounds, which is a mix of alphabet sounds and digraphs. We break the 42 letter sound into 7 groups. So let's start. A, A, E, E, mm, mm, E, E, R, R, mm, mm, D, D, G, G, O, 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 L, L, B, B, A, J, J, O, O, I, E, E, or, V, 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 mm, mm, V, V. Here, O has two sound. First one is short, oo, oo. Second one is long, oo, oo. Ch, ch. T has two sound again. First sound is soft, second sound is hard. In first sound, your tongue will come between your teeth. T has two sound again. First sound is soft, second sound is hard. In first sound, your tongue will come between your teeth. Just like in both. Second sound is mm, mm, just like in them. Quo, quo, au, au, ui, ui, you, er, er, are, are.